Pollution can make people sick and even kill them. Water is easily contaminated by agricultural runoff, mining activities, waste treatments, plants, and properly displayed industrial waste. Litter consists of plastic, metal, or glass metals that do not break down easily. You can affect animals and humans. Land contamination happens when hazardous substances are still or buried in the soil.
How humans can help our environment, ecosystem. Recycling, reclaiming land, reducing toxic emissions, solar power, planting trees.
Recycling helps to reverse pollution. Recycling helps provide our natural resources. Recycle paper, wood, glass, plastic, tire, and plastic cans. If we recycle paper, it provides cutting down more food. If we don't recycle plastic, it can harm our animals by choking them. If we can take our recycling to a local waste management place.
Reclaiming land. Reclaiming land can also be quite expensive. Land reclamation is also used to repair environmental damage. For example, if a beach becomes worn away, beach nourishment may be used to restore the beach. A method designed to preserve the existing natural environment. Land reclamation is also used in regions that have experienced a severe drought. The heavy polluted land may be put on a land reclaimment plan that is designed to remove the pollution and promote the re-establishment of native plant and animal species. Damage wetlands including those that have been filled to make usable land, can also be reclaimed through a slow environmental remediation process. Environmental media such as soil, groundwater, sediment, or surface water.
Reducing toxic emissions. EPA is working with industries to develop cleaner burning fuels and more efficient energy. Installing pollution control devices in motor vehicles. EPA has requirements to cleaner burning diesel engines, which reduce the amount of exhaust produced. EPA has issued rules covering over 80 categories of major injurious sources such as chemical plants, oil refineries, aerospace manufacturers, and steel mills, and well as categories of smaller sources such as dry cleaners, commercial fertilizer,
Stop honking. Have you had the engine running this whole time? Dear Tim and Moby, what causes pollution? From Talia. Air pollution comes from a lot of different sources, like car engines. They burn gasoline, and that adds a lot of dangerous chemicals to the air. Power plants, factories, and even the furnaces and stoves we use to heat homes and offices, all of these pollute the air. Well, fossil fuels like coal, gas, and oil release particles of soot and dust when they're burned. They also release deadly gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These gases can make healthy people sick and sick people even worse. They can make your eyes water and your throat feel dry. In some cases, they can permanently damage your lungs and even cause cancer. Plus, they're greenhouse gases, so they contribute to global warming. See that? That's smog. It's a mixture of smoke and fog that forms over cities, and it's not good for us to breathe. Smog contains ozone, a molecule made of 3 oxygen atoms. High up in the atmosphere, the ozone layer protects Earth from solar radiation. But when ozone is down here in the lower atmosphere, it reacts with other molecules to produce deadly poisons. And the ozone layer isn't safe from air pollution either. Chemicals released by humans have thinned it out, allowing harmful ultraviolet rays to reach the Earth's surface. Righto, Moby, acid rain is another result of air pollution. All those pollutants in the air can combine with water droplets and then fall down to Earth as rain. Acid rain has a lower pH than normal rain. When it soaks into the ground or falls into bodies of water, those habitats become too acidic, and the organisms that live in them are destroyed. Oh, pollution can come from natural sources too, like wildfires, volcanic eruptions, even cowbirds. Not all you want, but cowbirds contain a harmful gas called methane. And cows produce about 80 million metric tons of it every year. Well, we can ride bikes and walk for transportation. And if we have to drive, we can drive hybrid cars. No, this one isn't. But maybe we can convince Mom and Dad to buy a hybrid when they need a new car. We can also insulate our homes, so they don't need so much energy to heat and cool. Every little bit of electricity we save means less that has to be produced by burning fossil fuels, all of which can lead to less air pollution and a cleaner planet in general. So, are we going home now? Well, that's nice that you don't want to make any more pollution today, but we need to get home. Hey, I think it's your turn to push.
Anthony.
Solar power. Using solar powered cars reduces the amount of exhaust put into the air. Solar power provides a tremendous resource for generating clean and sustainable electricity without toxic pollution or global warming emissions. Solar energy saves money. The sun is free. There is no damage to our ecosystem the way oil drilling does. There is no noise, very little pollution, and no greenhouse gases.
Planting trees. Trees cool the city by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by shading our homes and streets. Trees release water vapor into the air through their leaves, which makes up some of the rain we get. In 1 year, acre of mature trees can produce enough oxygen for 18 people. Trees produce food for birds and wildlife. Students have shown that houses with views of trees out their windows heal faster and with less complications. Children with ADHD show fewer symptoms when they have access to nature. Exposure to trees and nature